Hello, it's Naya here from Webbers. I'm here today at Primrose Meadows in Bradworthy. This is another collection of 2, 3 and 4 bedroom houses and bungalows designed and built by Allison Homes. So let's take a look around one of these lovely properties that's currently for sale. These energy-efficient homes are all fitted with air source heat pumps and benefit from open-plan living accommodations and spacious bedrooms. One of the many features of this development is the spacing between the properties and the generous gardens on offer. Located a short walk away from the village square, Bradworthy is a thriving village with plenty of local businesses such as the village store and post office, the pub, artisan butchers, GP surgery and primary school. The seaside town of Bude is also only a 30-minute drive away. So now you've had a chance to look around this fantastic development. If you have any questions or would like to arrange a visit, please do give us a call in the office. Thank you.